Hello children, in this module I'll explain the poem and you will listen to the explanation clearly. If you have any doubts, you can note down in your rough notebooks and you can ask me later. So let's start. This poem, Four Little Foxes, is written by an American poet, lecturer, and a teacher, Lou Sarett. He was very interested in nature, and most of his poems are based on this theme only, means nature only. Alright, in this poem, he describes the four fox cubs who have been orphaned. Orphaned means their mother has been killed, they don't have parents, as their mother has been killed by a hunter. He knows that it is going to be very difficult for them to survive and begs nature to show mercy on them. When small kids, they don't have their parents or someone to look after them, it's very difficult for them now to survive in this world. So the same thing is with animals also. So he is requesting the nature to have little mercy on them. How? Let's see. Speak gently, spring, and make no sudden sound, for in my windy valley yesterday I found newborn foxes squirming on the ground. Speak gently. When the poet found that four little cute babies of foxes are lying on the ground, he was filled with pity, and he requested the nature to have little mercy on them, as it was the month of March, and we all know that in month of March high winds blow. So he is telling to the winds to speak gently. Speak here doesn't mean to chatter as we humans do. Speak here means the sound of wind. Spring, he is telling to the month spring and saying, he is telling to the season spring and saying that please you should speak gently and make no sudden sound, means immediately, sometimes a loud sound, sometimes low, so please don't make any sound. Why wind should not make sound? Because in his windy valley, what is valley? Valley is the low land between two hills or mountains. So he is saying, while going to my home in the valley, why windy? Because the weather is like that. So he's saying windy valley, yesterday he found what? Newborn foxes squirming on the ground. He's found newborn foxes, means the babies. Alright, he found the babies of foxes squirming. Squirming means to move from side to side in an awkward way, means either they were feeling cold or they were frightened, so they were moving from here and there like this, sitting in their own place. So that is called squirming. So they were squirming on the ground. So that's why he requested the nature, the spring season, to speak gently, to make less sound. All right, now let's move to the second stanza. Walk softly, march, forbear the bitter blow, her feet within a trap, her blood upon the snow. The four little foxes saw their mother go. So walk softly. Now the poet is saying that he doesn't know, but he is imagining what would have happened with these small babies. The hunter might have killed their mother. So the poet is saying to the month of March to walk softly. Walk softly, again the same sense, not to make any kind of sound. Forbear. Forbear means to stop from doing something. What? From making sound. Alright. So he is requesting the month of March to stop the bitter blow. Bitter blow means cold, harsh wind. Alright, in the month of March sometimes the wind is very harsh now and it is cold too. So he is telling the month of March to stop the bitter blow. Her feet within a trap, her blood upon the snow. He is guessing that a hunter might have killed the mother fox. So these small babies, they might have seen, how do the hunters kill? They put traps on the in the jungle everywhere, na, on the ground, and these different kinds of animals, they are stuck in that trap and then they are hunted. So the poet is saying that they might have seen their mother's feet within a trap and her blood upon the snow. And when the feet of their mother was in the trap, all the blood which was coming out, they might have seen the blood on the snow. The 4 little foxes saw their mother go. Poor thing that these 4 small babies have saw their mother going. How? The hunter who has killed the mother, he was pulling the mother, he was carrying the mother, so they have seen the mother going. All right, so he is requesting to the month of March to walk softly. Now let's move to the third stanza. Go lightly, spring, oh, give them no alarm, when I covered them with boughs to shelter them from harm. The thin blue foxes suckled at my arm. Go lightly. Now, the poet is telling to the season of spring, he is saying that wherever your wind is going, tell them to go lightly. Lightly means softly, without making any kind of noise. They should not give any alarm. Alarm means any indication or something with their sound that yes, wind is blowing, because these small babies are getting frightened. They are already nervous, they are scared, so the poet is requesting them not to make sound, not to give any type of alarm. When I covered them with boughs to shelter them from harm. The poet realized that they might be feeling cold, so what he did, he collected some boughs. Boughs means branches of trees, dried branches of trees. So he collected some dried branches of tree to give them shelter, to cover them, to give them shelter so they might not feel cold. So what is harm? Harm means the cold wind. The thin blue foxes suckled at my arm. Blue is indicating the color of the foxes. So the poet is saying that as I covered them with boughs to shelter them or to save them from harm, all the 4 foxes, those who were very thin and blue in color, they suckled at my arm. Suckled means when babies, they are about to be feeded by someone. Feeded means to give milk or food. So they suckled, na, they go closer. So that only, suckled means to go closer to something in search of food, to be fed by them. Alright, so the poet is saying that when I was covering them with branches, they suckled at my arm, they came closer to my arm as I am going to feed them. So go lightly. So the season of spring, tell your winds to go lightly. Now, step softly, march with your rampant hurricane, nuzzling one another and whimpering with pain. The new little foxes are shivering in the rain. Step softly. In this last stanza, the poet is again requesting to the month of March to step softly. Means wherever you are stepping, means the same thing the poet is again and again using these all different words to show the movement of the wind. With your rampant hurricane. Hurricane, what is hurricane? Violent storm with high winds. A violent storm with high winds is called hurricane. So the poet is requesting to the month of March that step softly, because your hurricane difficult to control. Rampant means difficult to control. Hurricane, the hard wind, high winds which is difficult to control, they are making these foxes more frightened. So please step softly, be little soft whatever you are doing. Nuzzling one another and whimpering with pain. Why? Because these 4 little foxes, nuzzling means to rub something to show love. Have you seen small baby animals? To show their love and affection, what they do, they go closer to their mother or their young ones, whomsoever they are close to. They go closer and they rub something. Either they will rub their cheeks or they will rub their any part of body, so they rub themselves to one another. That is called nuzzling, and it is only what they are showing their love. They are showing their love. So these four foxes, they are nuzzling one another and whimpering with pain. They are also whimpering. Whimpering means to cry softly, as they are very frightened. They had a big loss. Their mother is not with them now, so they are suffering with pain and they are whimpering. Whimpering means to cry softly. The new little foxes are shivering in the rain. Why the poet has called them the new little foxes? Because they are just born few days before, so that's why they are called as new little foxes by the poet. Shivering. Shivering means to shake slightly because of fear. When you are frightened of something, you shiver like this, na? So the foxes, they are shivering in the rain. It's raining also, so they are shivering in the rain. So at last again the poet is requesting to the nature, the month of March, the spring season, to be soft in whatever they are doing. Alright, so that these four little foxes, those who have recently lost their mother, will be little calm, will feel little calm. Alright, so thank you children, this was the explanation. Now rest of the study material I will be providing you. So thank you.